everybody. I'm Jennifer. I'm a guide on Miami Culinary Tours, and I want to introduce you to my home, but I also want to introduce you to Miami Beach. And it's interesting, but about 100 years ago, all of the greater Miami radio stations were found on the city isle of Miami Beach. And the goal letters for one of those radio stations was WIOD, Wonderful Isle of Dreams. And you know what? I still feel that way about Miami Beach today. So I want to introduce you a little bit to Miami Beach, but also to my Art Deco home. Guys, come on inside with me. I'm going to show you. Of course, we start over here with a wonderful, almost flamingo. And if you think the flamingos came from here in the States, you're wrong. They came with the rum runners from the Caribbean. All right, guys, come on in. So the majority of Miami Beach's Art Deco architecture is that it was the second tier. And the second tier of Art Deco architecture started after the collapse of the stock market. It ended right about the time of World War II. That was the Great Depression. And it was amazing that this architecture emerged from it, because what it offered was hope. And that's what Miami Beach offered, that dream of the exotic. We see it here. Guys, this is the emblem of Art Deco architecture, coming from the World's Fair, Paris World Fair in 1920. It's called the Frozen Fountain Relief. You see it in larger structures like the Chrysler Building, Empire State Building, but we do see it right here. And having these two-winged tropical birds right in the center of it does represent that wonderful feel that we have here with the exotic temperature and climate and atmosphere of Miami Beach. So this was the selling point of the home when I bought it. So I want to show you another really cool part of the house, and those are the arches into the rooms, because they have these incredible geometric shapes. Now, the really cool thing about Art Deco architecture is that it came like during the machine age. So it represented these geometric shapes, the things that were new and modern in the world, aviation, transportation. So it's really cool, but it's also offset by these beautiful rounded corners in the doors and the windows. But again, it's all about transportation and movement. I guess the barrel roof is spot on for Art Deco architecture. And it's really, really cool. But come with me, because we're going to be making a mango pie. Today's Sunday. That's what my boys ask for. You know, I talk about them often. But guys, this is the time now. I just want to say I hope everybody is doing well. And I really hope everyone's doing well. I hope to see you again out there. Guys, I'm Jennifer. I'm one of the guys at Miami Culinary Tours, and many of you might have had me on the SoBe Food and Art Deco tour, and I go on and on about how much I love Art Deco and Miami Beach. Well, hopefully you know a little bit more now.